My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that claims to be Windows Support Alert. In this pop-up, a special telephone number is mentioned, 877-892-2411. But this is a fake number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. On the other hand, this number is real. If you call it, you will hear some criminals, some online hackers who will try to connect to your computer remotely. Then they may demand from you to pay money, supposedly to get your computer fixed. All these pop-ups, as I said, typically come from the random website, but it is not related to Windows or Microsoft. You may see a lot of such pop-ups with this scary content. Just don't call this fake Windows support number. It is not a genuine message. My recommendation is that you carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then after it is successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.